Hello, it's Laura Matheny, Luna Gaia Living Life, who was basically just going to do one of my helpful tips for you to kind of help you keep your life organized and things like that now that school and other things, and that we're getting into the busy season with the holidays and stuff like that. I don't know about you, but I'm always one of those people that whenever it comes to trying to make a list to remember to do things, shopping list on paper always ends up either at home, at work, in my purse, in the car, and never gets used. Or as my husband does, it's kind of like he always puts it in his head and then wonders whenever he gets out of the store why he forgot half his list. I started doing this little tip about 5 or 6 years ago, often tell my clients about it, and my husband started doing it a couple years ago regarding being able to keep on top of things or get what you remember you're going to go do, whether it be run errands, go to the grocery store, pay bills, etc., etc., etc. Plan your stuff for your travel, things like that. So basically what it is if you've got at least a smartphone or at least any sort of phone that has texting capabilities, and we always have our phones with us. This is a handy little tip that will get you through being able to get what you accomplished more efficiently when you go to the grocery store and other places like that. It's also, since we always have our phones with us, it's a great little tip for that, because even though we may never take our list with us or we never write it down, we've got our phone with us. And what do? We're always pulling our phones out. So basically what it is you can basically text to yourself your grocery list, for example, or errand list. This is my old iPhone that I'm using to kind of give you an idea of what it looks like, so that you can kind of see my list. Maybe if I flip it around the other way, it will do better this way. We'll find a way to make it work. Anyway, for example, this list says my Costco list of groceries that I was going to go do at Costco a long time ago. And I find that whenever I have this list, I use it much more efficiently. I often tell my clients whenever I work with them that part of it is time management and staying on top of things. This is a great little way to do it. It's fast, efficient. You have it with you all the time. You just jot them down as you think of things. As you can tell if you look at my list, it's got things that I keep adding to it after I have started my list and sent it to myself. So basically you just text yourself. I don't know how many of you ever text things to yourself. Basically just put in your phone number and then just text like you normally do and send, and it'll pop up for you. It's a handy dandy little tip, and I hope you find it useful. I'd love to hear if you have other ideas that you use your iPhone for, or your iPhone or other smartphones for, to be able to make your life easier, more productive, and feel like you've got more accomplished in your life. Thanks, and have a nice day.